We dug through Amazon to find some of the best deals for RV campers, and we compiled them all into this video to show you how you can save some money. So stick around because the number one item we have, best in the market. All right, first aid is important for everyone. Any kind of first aid kit. You don't have to buy it from Amazon, but get something. Protect your trailer. Any kind of hitch lock will work. This beach lane combination hitch pin is fantastic. Get solid rubber wheel chocks. Do not get the plastic ones. A lot of people like and swear by tire pressure monitoring systems. If you want to upgrade your jack, there's a lot of good deals on Amazon right now. You definitely want some kind of water pressure regulator. Never hurts to have an extra water hose. An extra step is important, and we absolutely love this step in store. We have one ourselves. The new Rhino Blaster tank rinser is on my list. We have one of these door locks. I am installing it this week. I can't wait to show you. Personal security. You cannot go wrong with protecting what's inside of your camper, especially when you're in it. Surge protectors are very important to monitor electricity. If you want some motion lights, there's various sales on those. You can definitely get something good if you just keep looking. If you need any kind of power cords, they've got those. If you don't have fuses, always carry fuses. The refrigerator deodorizer is a neat little gadget. These shelves look like they'll be perfect. You can't go wrong with collapsible food storage and zip ties. You always need zip ties. When it comes to cleaning that black tank, we recommend using Unique. We just ordered an emergency fire blanket. We'll see how that works. Rechargeable batteries are a must, and our number one item that you need to get if you have a small travel trailer that does not have a leveling system is the Beach Lane Wireless RV Leveling System. We have it and we love it.